my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how I make my chapstick labels. I'm releasing a new product. I'm selling two different types of scented chapsticks. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I put my labels on them. I made a video of how I make them, so I said I was going to make a video on how I put my labels on them and how I make them. So if you're a small business wondering how to make labels, I'm going to be showing you how I make my chapstick labels. So if you don't have it already, you're going to need to open Canva because we're going to be designing everything in Canva. So you're going to go to canva.com. This is not sponsored by Canva. I just love how you can design anything on Canva and they have a million templates to choose from. Then you're going to type in label. I use label, this just worked for me, but you can use anything you want. And then you want to create a blank label. And then Canva has a lot of templates to choose from, or you can make one from scratch. It has a lot of things that you can pick and play and make your own label. You can upload pictures, it has elements, and you can add text. It's so cool. I made mine from scratch. This is what mine look like. I made two. I made coconut and pumpkin pie, but I'm just showing you guys my coconut one. Then you're going to go to Avery.com. Avery is a great site. We're making labels. You can make labels, any type of size labels that you want. So that's why I use Avery for my labels. So you're just going to search chapstick labels because that is the labels that we're making. Then you're going to pick the format you want it in: sheet labels, roll labels, rectangle, round, square, depending on your tube. I measured mine, but I'm sure it's just the second one, the second measurement for like all chopsticks. I don't think all chopsticks are the same, but I just chose the second one for mines. You can pick the quantity down there, but it's better to just design it first and then you can figure out the quantity. And then you can create your own label on Avery, or you can just upload, but here we're uploading because we made it on Canva already. Then when you upload your design, you have to just fit it in so it doesn't get at the outside area. And then make sure you put the tear hair letters, and you just make sure everything's in the right place. Don't worry about putting it sideways because it already shows up sideways. And I have two there. I have my pumpkin and I have my coconut. That's why it's two different labels. And then you click I approve my design. So now here you just select your quantity and then you purchase it and wait for it to come in the mail. In the next clip, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I put my labels on when it came in the mail. These are my two chopsticks, coconut and pumpkin. I just first wipe them off with alcohol to make sure it's all clean. Don't worry about my nails, guys. I'm not a nail artist and I tried to do my nails by myself. Don't know why. I actually loved how it came out. The words were not too small and not too big, and they were nice and shiny and glossy. So now I'm just going to try to put them on there. It took me a few tries to make it straight, but I actually got it. I actually got it straight the first time I put it on there. It's skills. And there you have it, perfect chopstick labels. I just love them so much. So if you guys want to purchase these chopsticks, the link is in my bio. We have pumpkin and coconut available. Be sure to grab these before they sell out. They're actually going fast. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I checked comments, so leave any comments below that you have for me. We're on the road to 200, so don't forget to subscribe. If you want more content like this, behind the scenes of my business life and what I do, don't forget to comment below if you're interested. Also, don't forget to check out our site to support our teen entrepreneur. See you guys in the next video. Bye.